Hi, dear student. I am Dr. Vishwajit Gayan, your chemistry teacher, assistant professor in Department of Chemistry of your college, Dr. Sudit Chandrasoor Degree Engineering College. Now today I want to discuss about the thermodynamics and specifically the first law of thermodynamics. So there's a there are four law in thermodynamics, but we mainly emphasized on the first law of thermodynamics and second law of thermodynamics, and other two will be discussed when you are going to the higher study. So about the first law, here very simply the first law tells about the relation among the heat absorbed or released by the system and mechanical work by the system or on the system and the change of the internal energy of the system. So this law correlate three terms, that is heat, mechanical work and internal energy. So by using notation we can say heat as a Q, mechanical work as a W and internal energy as U. So it is stated that the first of thermodynamics, when some system is absorbed some amount of the heat, then it performs some work, but it is not necessary that it will be give the 100% work, that is the conversion of energy to work is the 100% is impossible. So very specifically I want to say the statement of the first law is that if a system absorb Q amount of the heat, then it work by an amount of, it can perform work by amount of W, and in addition to that there will be a increase of the internal energy. Is this clear? So now thermodynamics, that's the first law of thermodynamics, can be expressed in the law of energy, or very specifically that is conservation of energy. That is, here the first law tells about the conversion of the energy from one form to another form. We know that the work is a one kind of the energy and heat is a another kind of energy. So here the 3 point, that is law of conservation of energy, and second is the flow of heat is a form of energy transfer. Yes, we can transfer one energy to the energy another energy. Sorry student, there will be message. uh, Now third, the performing work is a form of energy transfer. I just told you. Now the unit, we know that the work done and heat can be expressed in terms of the unit of joule. Yes, obviously heat and work done can be expressed by joule. So from these two unit, we can say that the unit of the internal energy should be joule, because both are the additive property. Now sometime it can be expressed in calories also. So again student, please note that the 100% conversion of heat to work is not possible. That is Q equal to W is not possible. So it is possible Q is equal to the sum of W plus change of the internal energy of the system. Now here from this formula, that is on the left hand side, that is Q, that is the heat absorbed by a system, then it increase its internal energy, that is del U, and it performs some work, that is W. So that is summation of the internal energy and work done is equal to the heat absorbed. Is this clear? So when you use some energy or heat, there will be obviously a loss of energy in the system. So the efficiency of an transformation from one energy to the another energy 100% is not possible. So today is up to this. Hope that you understand the first law of thermodynamics. Next we will discuss about the second law of thermodynamics and its consequence and related problem. Student, please follow the mathematical problem that are attached with this lecture, and if you have any queries, you feel free and report to me. Thank you again and take care in this emergency situation. Thank you.